Good morning and welcome back to the Kelly's Family Kitchen. We're going to make homemade dinner rolls today. And to do that, we're going to start off with 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and we're going to put it in the mixer. We're going to add 5 tablespoons of butter softened. We're going to have 1 room temperature egg. And we're going to have 1.5 cups of warm milk. We're going to have 2 tablespoons of yeast. 1/3 cup of sugar. And 1 teaspoon of salt. And now what we're going to do, we're going to put this on a low setting and just blend it all together. Okay, so here's our dough ball, and we're going to mix it until it's incorporated, and then we're going to put it on medium speed for 2 minutes. Okay, now that it's good and whipped up, we're going to take a 1/2 cup of flour, and we're going to add it in slowly, and we're going to do that for another 2 minutes, heat it. Alright, so after beating it for a couple more minutes, we're going to add another 1/2 of flour here, and then we're going to start on low and then increase it to medium speed again. Alright, so you want our dough really slightly sticky, so we need to add just a little bit more dough in there, a little bit more flour. 1/2 of flour. Just like that. And speed. Dough's pulling away from the bowl, and we have a dough ball. We're going to take it off the hook. Just like that right there. And we're going to take our dough hook off and go put it in the sink. Bowl. Just like that. With some olive spray or whatever oil you want to use. Take our ball and drop it in like that, and we'll flip it over. And then we're going to cover this with some saran wrap or towel for 30 minutes. Okay, so after 30 minutes, here we go. We're just going to punch that down right there. And then we're going to break them off in pieces. 24 different pieces. And we're going to put them in here. It's about 2 ounces or so is what you're looking for. Okay, so now we got them all broken up and placed in a pan with grease on the bottom, and we're just going to cover them up and let them sit for another 30 minutes. Okay, so after 30 minutes of them resting, we're going to put them in a preheated 375-degree oven, and we're going to cook them for about 18 minutes. Okay, now they're out of the oven, and now we're just going to take this melted butter and we're going to brush the tops of them like this right here. And now you got some homemade dinner rolls. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know how I'm doing. Comment below. Until our next video, we'll see you then. Nice and fluffy Dinner rules.